Hello everybody, welcome back to As Already have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete a Zoom account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, what you're going to do first is simply going to go ahead access to your Zoom app that you have installed on your mobile phone itself. Now once you have done so, this kind of a meeting, the home page of it's going to open up first when you tap on your app right away. Then afterwards, if you would like to delete your account for that matter, go ahead, tap on this three dot icon given below as more. I heard this section, if you go through all of this option, you can find this. You can go to settings, you can now find the option called delete. Even if you go to general option, you just have this ringtone and hide sensitive information when switching tasks. Right, for that you're gonna go back and go on top, tap on your account like that, and on this kind of interface gonna pop up. Again, tap on this option called account on top, and then it will show this option called delete account just right there. Go ahead, tap on it. Now it will ask you to go to web portal and delete. Now go ahead, tap on this. Now it will switch to your browser itself that is available on your mobile phone. Now go ahead, enter your email address, your password, sign in, and then again you're gonna, from over here it will show you the other prompts for you. Once you added them, you will be able to delete your Zoom account like that. And that is the way you can delete it. Thank you so much for watching, and this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.